Use appropriate safety equipment when maneuvering the oven into your workspace. Unpack the oven by guiding a knife along the corners of the packaging. The efficient packaging is easily disassembled. Inside the oven compartment, you will find the manual as well as the fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. Take the electric cable and put it through the niche. Only authorized persons should connect the cable to the mains. With a colleague, lift the oven into the niche, taking care not to damage the product or the kitchen unit. Using your thumbs, gently nudge the oven into a central position. For the next step, you will need a screwdriver as well as the 2 screws provided. Whilst holding the oven in place, carefully open the door. Fix the oven into place using the screws provided. Make sure the oven is securely fastened. For the oven to function, you must first set the language and time of day. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.